Hi everyone, here is step-by-step guide how to download and install TradingView on your PC. So first of all, open up your favorite browser, it doesn't matter, and after that type in here TradingView, and after that find tradingview.com website and tap on it. After that, once you're here, you can instead your cursor on the more at the very top, and after that find here downloads and choose desktop app, and then you can scroll down until you find download for Windows, macOS, Linux. So I using Windows, just tap on Windows and wait a couple of seconds of downloading. Tap on keep install. After that, so as you can see, TradingView successfully installed on my PC. That's it, I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about TradingView. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.